Welcome to Parent Launch. Today we're unpacking the world of nasal aspirators to help you find the best option for your baby. From electric to manual, we'll cover the types, benefits, and top choices to help you find the best one. Please note that prices mentioned may vary due to changes since the video upload. For more information on products mentioned in this video, check out the links in the description down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest guides and tips for modern parenting. First up, let's look at two top electric nasal aspirators on the market. The Grownsy and Frida are two of the most purchased models on Amazon. They offer efficient, adjustable suction with the convenience of battery or USB power. The Grownsy nasal aspirator, priced at around $39 shines with its ENT specialist design anti-backflow system, multiple silicone tips, and features soothing lights and music. Meanwhile, the Frida Baby electric NoseFrida, priced at around $39, stands out for its gentle yet effective suction, ergonomic design, and soothing color-changing light, making the clearing process calm and efficient. When putting these two side by side and just simply going off on customer reviews, the Grownsy ranks much higher than the Frida. Both are almost the same exact price, but the customer satisfaction is greater with the Grownsy nasal aspirator. Moving on to manual nasal aspirators, the NoseFrida, priced at around $16 is known as the SnotSucker. This manual aspirator offers direct control over suction strength, with disposable filters ensuring hygiene. Its design minimizes discomfort, allowing for a gentle clearing experience. Manual aspirators are favored for their simplicity and the ability to precisely regulate suction. If you were to compare the manual Frida to the electric version, you would see that the manual one is highly favored amongst parents over the electronic version. The reviews speak for themselves, and customers have a higher satisfaction level with the manual version. Moving on to an upgraded version of the traditional bulb syringe is the Innovo hospital-grade silicone twister bulb baby ear syringe and nasal aspirator, priced at around $15. This aspirator is a standout due to its hospital-grade silicone material. It features a revolutionary twister design that allows for stress-free, easy cleaning. The clear white translucent bulb lets you see how much mucus is removed, which is great for ensuring a thorough cleaning. Perfect for newborns, its soft silicone and narrow tip design make it easy to suction out mucus in earwax gently and efficiently. This product has top ratings on Amazon with high customer satisfaction. Up next, we have a bulb and aspirator combo, such as the NeilMed Naspira Plus, priced at around $14. This combo offers the versatility of both bulb suction and manual oral suction. Its innovative design allows caregivers to switch between methods, providing flexibility and control during nasal clearing. With features like disposable filters and one-way valves, they ensure hygiene and safety. This aspirator has received great feedback from previous buyers, and meta reviews mention its superiority over popular brands like the Frida Baby. So there you have it, parents. We hope this video helped you narrow down your search for the best nasal aspirator. Make sure to follow manufacturer instructions and use saline drops if needed to soften mucus. Proper cleaning and maintenance of the aspirator are crucial to prevent infection and prolong the device's life.